my gosh guys, may kuryente na kami. Oh my gosh. Wala tayong internet. So, kahapon, nagkaroon tayo ng kuryente. And then, hindi lang yon dahil na-frozen pa yung ating, water. Nag-frozen ang ating water. So, naglagay ako ng, like dito sa baba. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ginamit ko itong portable heater. Tapos talagang, inano ko siya dito. Like, para maano yung ating, dyan. So, yun ang ginawa ko. And, so talagang, inano talaga natin guys na hindi mag-frozen yung, ng daluyan ng ating tubig. Yung ano ba tawag dun? Yung mga pipe, yun. So, talagang todo-todo, talaga tayo. Kahit dun sa bathroom, naglagay din ako ng portable heater doon. Tapos, ayan, this morning, talagang nagulat talaga ako 6 in the morning. Was it? Yeah, 6 in the morning, ayun. Na may narinig ako na tumutulo kasi lang na aking mother-in-law na wag papatayin yung tubig, hayaan lang siya na nakabukas. So, yun ang ginawa ko, hinayaan ko lang siya na nakabukas. And, yun, nagkaroon tayo ng kuryente. Ng water. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy kasi alam nyo guys, kapag nag-frozen ang pipe ng water, ng water ninyo is kailangan mo magbayad ng tao para i-warm up yung water. So, buti na lang talaga. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord talaga. Dahil hindi namin kinailangan na magbayad ng tao para lang ma-warm up ang ating tubig. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. At thank you, Lord din kasi safe kami and na-survive namin na naman yung 5 days guys, 5 days kaming walang kuryente and wala ding tubig. So, 5 days na walang tubig, walang kuryente. So, parang ganun lang last time na nagkaroon tayo na nawalan tayo ng kuryente. Ganun lang din ang nangyari na naka-survive tayo. Bale, 3 weeks nang naka-off ang mga kids sa school kasi last week nung January 6, yun ang kanilang first day na dapat balik nila sa school. But because of naabutan tayo ng snowstorm na until now is still going, kaya the whole week wala silang school. Like, it's going crazy. But, pakita ko sa inyo guys ang labas. Oh my God! Nag-i-snow na naman. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun, tignan nyo na naman. Ay, naku. Aray, aray, aray. O, diba? Ang ganda. Snow pa more. Holy crap. Snow pa more. So, ito naman guys sa window naman. Ayan ang aking view. Tapos, ay, tingnan nyo guys yung design ng aking, New Year's. Andiyan dyan pa. Tapos, dito naman sa may, ayan naman ang aking view. So, kailangan ko lang linisan to. Oh my God. So, ayan. My goodness. So, guys, yung mga kids is nandoon pa sila sa, nag-zoom in. Zoom in! Yung mga kids is nandoon pa sila sa bahay ng lola nila. So, hindi sila dito natulog kagabi. Kasi nga, sobrang lamig pa dito kagabi. So, yung heater namin is wina-warm up pa niya yung buong bahay. Maliit lang naman tong namin. But, as in, sobrang kala mo na sa freezer ka. Kaya, yun, hindi muna namin sila pinapunta dito para ma-warm up lang yung as in, gumagamit pa talaga ako ng portable heater para lang maka-help ba sa pag-aano ng malamig na, mawala yung lamig. As in, talagang alamig. Naglalaba ako ngayon guys. Or actually, kasi ang nilabahan ko lang is yung damit ni daddy for work. So, yun lang yung nilabahan ko. And then, maya-maya, lalabas tayo kasi kailangan nating linisan ang ating sasakyan. Yung first na nilinisan ko yung sasakyan is, hindi ako, si daddy. Nung Tuesday Tuesday namin siya nilinisan. And ngayon, covered na naman po ang ating sasakyan. And kailangan natin siya i-start kasi Tuesday ko siya in-start and Saturday na ngayon. Happy Saturday. So, kailangan natin siyang i-start. Oh my gosh. Kaya, yeah, i-start natin siya maya-maya. Ay, naka. Nag-i-snow na naman. Yes, we have power! Woo-hoo! We have power! We have power! We have power! I'm so thankful na may power tayo today. May power na tayo. For 5 days, guys. 5 days, wala tayong power. Oh my God! But anyways, yeah. Gamit ko ang aking camera, guys. Magka-camera tayo today. For today's video. So, guys, lalabas na tayo para i-start natin yung sasakyan. And tingnan nyo naman yung ating tree. Nandiyan pa. So, pagkatapos ko dito sa paglilinis ng car, yung ating tree, ang ating so, ito yung ating panglinis. Kasi kailangan ko i-start yung car. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo guys. Wala. Snow pa more. Snow pa more. Kailangan ko kasi i-start yung car eh. Kung hindi, naku, baka mamaya hindi mag-start yung car ko. Sige, bulog pa more. Tingnan nyo kung gaano covered yung aking sasakyan. Lamig. Covered na naman siya. Well, it's not that bad actually. Ayan siya. Dumami na naman yung snow eh. Nakakaloka. Ayan. It's not that bad. Ayan. So, linisan natin guys. So, ayan guys, hanggang ganyan na lang muna yung paglilinis ko. Basta matanggal lang yung snow sa front. Okay na yan. And nagsa-start naman na yung car. So, kita nyo ba yung icicles? Pakita ko sa inyo. Tignan yung icicles. Diba? So, guys, tignan nyo. Tignan natin ito. Oh, diba? Ice na. Daming snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Oh my gosh, ang daming snow. Guys, yung ilong ko, hindi ko na maramdaman. Oh my gosh, hindi ko maramdaman. So, ang plan ko talaga today, guys, is tanggalin natin ang ating mga Christmas decoration. But, dahil nag-i-snow, so mahihirapan tayo tanggalin sila. But, I don't really care. Mahirapan man ako or whatever, I'm still gonna take my tree down today. Kasi, sobrang crowded na dito sa bahay. As in, sobrang crowded na. So, hintayin ko lang na mag-warm up yung sasakyan ko for ano lang natin siya for like 15 minutes ganon or 10 minutes more than ganon. Basta maano lang siya, mag-start lang siya at ma-heat up yung kanyang engine na hindi siya manigas or something, basta ganon. So, kaya kasi matagal ko na din hindi nagagamit na sasakyan ko dahil nga nag-snow and everything. So, kailangan ini-start yung sasakyan. But, while nag-waiting ako sa aking car na I'm gonna take down my tree. And, yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go.
Right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they
yung ating lalagyanan ng Christmas tree is nandoon. So, iisa-isahin ko silang bibit-bitin sa labas kasi that is full of snow and sobra siyang maputik. Kaya, iisa-isahin natin bibit-bitin ang mga tree na yan. Yeah! Let's go.
Nights don't get around,
Alright, let's go.
but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get
Nakakapagod.
too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Woo! I can't. Feels empty. Oh, I need a
I get too drunk and too scared.
box ni Santa Claus. Hindi pala pwedeng
If only you knew I
matapon.
would die for you.
Woo!
So guys, sunduin ko na muna yung mga bata para makapag-ano na sila dahil yung mother-in-law ko yung water nila it's hindi pa rin daw nag-work. So, kaya susunduin ko na sila para maging komportable na sila sa bahay. Oh my gosh, what happening to my face? Looking dark. Alright, let's go. Lakad-lakad sa nadaanan na nadagdagan na naman na snow. Merong konting ano doon pero konti lang. Ay nako. Why is this open? Lamig. Ayan na sila guys. Si Troy at Natalia, first time lang nila na mag-ano ng snow. Simula na nag-start. You free sandwich? Yeah. Sese! Look at Troy, free sandwich! Come on, let's go! It's cold! We can... Oh, and then you're gonna throw a snowball at Troy. Oh! Oh! Let me see. Let's go. Dali. Go.
They're beating us. I'm going to make a snowball at Coachella.
No, come on, let's go.
I mean, a sandwich. It's Sissy, look. So, cheese.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ay, naku, tong dalawang to. Yung dalawang magkuya pala guys, naglaro pala sila kaganina sa labas.
Time for a snowball fight.
Snowball fight ka dyan. Come on, let's go. Be careful. Boom. You gotta throw it hard, sissy. Uh-oh, Troy's cold. Huh? What? How far do we need to go? Is that what you said?
Look. See, look, I made a hamburger.
Oh my gosh, Sissy. Come on, let's go.
Made of icicles. Time for a bit of trick.
Sige, naku. Frozen na yung hands mo. Your hands is frozen. Let me see.
Huh? Mom, look.
No. Those are your cars, you and Troy.
But why
Don't.
did you put a sheet on?
Don't throw that, kuya. Be careful, because it's... No.
Times are frozen over.
Xbox ka agad. No. Come on, let's go, let's go. Get in. So, ayan na guys. Hanggang ganyan na lang muna siya. And then, ito guys, nilagay ko yung yung trophies ni Troy, ni Chad, ni Caleb. Yung basketball, ano ba to? Kanilang football, trophies. Oo nga pala guys, no, hindi ko napakita sa inyo, nakuha ni Caleb at saka ni Chad yung kanilang trophies. Ayan, yung maliit na yan. Yung malaki, last year yan. Yung maliit, yan, this year yan. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan. Tapos, ayun yung kay Troy. Ganilang trophies for football. Guys, I'm gonna say good night na. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow, we're gonna go outside to play in the snow. So, yeah. So, good night guys. Thank you for watching.